Hello, children. Our topic for this week for phonics, we are going to take, okay, let's write it, phonics. Our topic for phonics is about, okay, make this a little bit thicker, about long vowel. Okay, so we have the long vowel E sound. Okay. So right here, let me explain to you about the long E sounds. Okay, the long E sounds are a long vowel sound. Long vowel sounds are vowel sounds pronounced the same as the name of the letter. Okay. So, its vowel has a long vowel sound like long A. Okay. So, make a little bit here. Okay, so we have, for example, we have long A. Okay, we have long E. Okay, we have the long I. We have the long O. And long U sound. Okay, so in some cases, the long E sound is spelled with just the letter E. Okay, so this is usually the case in words that are more than one syllable long, but exceptions include some very common words like, okay, let me give you an example for this. Okay, let's go. Move, move, move. Okay, so we have the examples. Okay, we have the examples here. Okay, so these are the examples or exceptions of some very common words, okay, like me, bee, not bee that gives honey, okay, bee, we have we, he, and she, okay. So, this spelling of the long E sound is used for prefixes like this RE, okay, re, B, and D. Okay, so let me show you some examples of long E words spelled with just the letter E. Okay, let's go up. My board is not enough, so we have to just go up. So we have here, let's change the color. Okay, so we have here, let's write. Okay, wait. Examples, we just long E words only. Like for example, we have evening, okay? We have evening, Okay, we have the word Egypt. Okay, what else? We have the word emergency. Okay, we have B. Okay, B. This is the first one here is like prefixes. Okay, we have be, come, and we have the word be, win, between. Okay, what else? We have D. Okay, we have here D. Okay, D is for the prefixes. Okay, like D, side. Okay, this side. Okay, then we have the word delight. Okay, like we have the re. Okay, the re prefixes like recess. Okay, and then we have the word relax. Okay, so those are some examples only of long E words spelled with just the letter E itself. Okay, let's proceed again to the other examples, explanations of the long E. So here we have many words spell the long E sound with the letters E. In these words, the long E sound usually appears in the middle of the word and occasionally appears at the end of the word. So we have here also some examples. Okay, examples. Okay, so we have right here like, okay, those what you call words that long E appears in the middle of the word and at the end of the word. Like, for example, the word peel, creep, breeze, okay, we have the word at the end, okay, like three, number 3, okay, flee, agree, okay, and so on, of course. Okay, so let's go up again so that I could be able to write the remaining for you and then some explanation. So these are the examples, some examples of long E words with words spelled with letters E. Okay, let's go to the, it's also a long E sound, but it spells like this. So we have here the E A, okay? This E A spelling, okay? So we have E and A here, but the sound of this is a long E sound. So this is a long E sound. So a very common way of spelling the long E sound is with the letters E, A. Okay, so we have here examples of EA words. Okay, like for example, we have the word, okay, pitch. You can see here, right here in pitch, okay, we don't pronounce the A, okay, A in here, just a silent letter. So here, these two together sounds a long E sound. So we have here pitch, dream, okay, dream, year, feast, okay, we have breathe, we have squeak, we have reason, and so on. So that's it then. And don't forget, I put for you also a very interesting video, and so you will find it right through LMS. And of course, this recording of mine explaining about the long E sound. So that's it then. And I'm gonna give you, and I will post for you, it's just only a short homework for you to answer. Okay then, children, thank you so much and take care. Goodbye.